All right, now that we've built our robots, we can learn how to program them. So what you're going to do is we're going to look at Chapter 4, which is in your, let's see, this is Period 2, Robotics, and we look at our handouts. Oops. All right, so in our handout section, we have Chapter 4 of the Discovery book, Working with Programming Blocks and Action Blocks. Today what we're going to do, you're going to read through this so you have a better understanding of programming, and you're going to go to page 38, and then we're going to do these 6 programs, and you're going to test them on your robot today. So first thing we have to do, I'll close this up. Oh. First thing we have to do is we have to open our software, our Lego software. So we have Lego Mindstorms. You might have this Lego Mindstorms Education EV3. You might have this on your desktop, or you might do it from the sidebar here. We're going to open this up. Okay, that's great. Close. We're going to start a new project. So you're going to click on New Project. We're going to click on Program. Then we're going to click on Open. All right, so now we have all our different bars here, all our different blocks that we can add, and we're going to look at page 38. All right, so the first one we have here is we're going to have a steering block. These are all steering blocks. Here. Move steering. We're going to put that there, and then we're going to look at what we have here, and we could increase the size of this so we get a better picture of it. All right, so we're going to have one of these rotations straight 75. So we're going to change the power to 75. We can move this back and forth, or we can click there and type in the number 75. And then we have one, and that's a rotation. And we have everyone going there. So this has no brick connected, but what you're going to do is connect a brick or a robot. You're going to connect the robot to your computer using the USB cord, and then you're going to download this. And then what you should do is you should go to our topics page. So I'm going to lower this stuff and go to our school website, student portal, and this is robotics, and we're going to look at our topics, and we have our video tutorials, and that's me, of course. And then you're going to go to lesson 1, moving forward, and you're going to follow this video, and you're going to learn how to do all these programs. So you're going to create all the programs. Watching this video, you're going to create all the programs on page 38, all 6 of these, and then you're going to show me, as in the video, how your robot does this. Now, if you're at home, all right, if you're at home, what you're going to do is you're going to, here's my program. It's already created. File, save project as, and we're going to put it in our documents here, so you know where it is. You're going to call this page 38 program 1. All right, so you just save this. So there it is. So now it's saved, you're going to open up your Teams, and we're going to go to robotics, and under files, you're going to see that there is a folder. I'm going to make it right now. Folder that says page 38. Create. All right, so let's go back to this. So page 38, program 1, file, save as. You're going to change the name of it, put your name. So my name is Mr. Noon. You're going to put your first and last name here. You can put an underscore if you'd like to break that up. And then hit save. Now that I have this folder up here, you're going to look at go into the page 38 folder. You're going to upload a file, and that file is in your documents. And we're going to look for our name, page 38, program 1. You hit open, and what's going to happen is it's going to upload, and then I could click on it, and I can open it on my computer, and I could hook it up to a robot, and then I could show you if your program works successfully through our monitor. So go ahead. Remember, you're going to do the programs on page 38. If you're remote learning or virtually learning, you're going to upload your program so that I could run them off my computer. If you're in the classroom, you're going to call me over to show me. Make sure you watch this video, EV3 Robotics Lesson 1, moving forward, and make sure that you complete all 6 of these little programs in class today, and then you can show them to me in the class, and I can mark them off that you correctly did them. So every single individual will have to do this today. So go ahead and get started.